Hi folks, welcome to Johnson RV here in beautiful Fife, Washington, home of the #1 premium pre-owned superstore in North America. We'd like to preview a new arrival, 2006 Pleasureway Excel TS model. Many of you have probably heard of Pleasureway from Canada. Been building RVs for about 33 years, considered to be among the top quality builders. We're going to have our video walk toward the back, and we're going to show you a rear view inside this coach, showing how a real small footprint of an RV can pack in a lot of features. So here inside, you can see here, hopefully, we've got a refrigerator, sink, 2-burner cooktop. Pleasureway uses a lot of engineering in trying to use up as much and acquire as much storage space as possible. See the dovetail work, really quality woods and hinges. Each Pleasureway takes about 6 to 7 weeks to build each individual model. This sofa comes flat and turns into a twin bed sleeper, or you can fill in the middle with some wood pieces and these cushions here and have a larger than a queen size. Television, DVD player, more storage up above, thermostat control, air conditioning for the RV portion, as well as a chassis air conditioning. This coach has power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, cruise control, tilt wheel, backup camera. These are both ultra leather reclining chairs. Welcome back inside our 2006 Pleasureway. Pleasureway does one of the best jobs in the industry for use of space in the facility area as far as the bathrooms and sinks. We know this is a van, which is also an RV, so it's a challenge getting enough room for some people, but if you need as much room as possible, Pleasureway is one of the best. That's an all-in-one wet bath as well. And above it is a fantastic fan, thermostatically controlled if you want it to be, to pull out humidity and moisture and give you ventilation. You've got a support porthole here to put a rod and a table that comes with it. This one has a counter extension right here. Pleasureway is definitely one of my favorites. I've been involved with them for over 7 years. I know their quality. I've talked to the factory many times. I've watched hundreds of videos. I've helped hundreds of people assisting in getting Pleasureways. They're one of the best. Give us a call here at Johnson RV, 253-286-0833. We represent premium pre-owned with Pleasureway and other models as well, and we represent brand new Pleasureways also. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.